Hey guys, Jason from Iconic Metal Gear showing you this really nice aluminum headache rack with cabinets and the light bar on the top. This is kind of a simple setup that we do a lot of. Got the bottom boxes down there, so if you're on the ground you can get the stuff real easy. Gel bar. This guy's got three shelves on this side. All 1/8 aluminum or thicker. 5/8 automotive bulb seal, all stainless steel hardware. And a chain hanger on this side. 8-inch deep well there. All keyed the same. And then you've got your stop turn clearance lights up top. 20 LED lights, chrome bezels, little light tabs here on the corner. Put some work lights. Lots of custom racks. Check us out. We got angled face, rack tank combos, and roll up doors. A lot of stainless racks. IconicMetalGear.com.